You're going to click New, Self-Planning. Again, you want to make sure that you are adding the patient's first and last name, date of birth, and Create PX Plan. You'll then click on the upper arch, look for your SDLs, and double-click to bring the upper in and the lower, and you'll want to make sure that you choose retainer on both of these. Then create case. Once the cases come into the uDesign software, you want to make sure that you have set your orientation, making sure that it's nice and straight and flat, and then simply hitting left clicking on the set orientation. You'll see the model do a small jump, and then you'll know that it's set. Then I'm going to hit next. You're going to see a series of colors in a pattern. If everything looks good, you don't have to make any changes as long as all of the teeth are identified. If you need to re-identify the teeth because they're not in a pattern or they haven't been colored or they're in the same color, you want to left click on the teardrop and then left click starting with the terminal molar going all the way around. Then hit next. As long as everything looks good, we can click label teeth. Then it will go to the upper. We're going to continue clicking on the blue arrow. Then you'll see your case come into what we call our tooth moving screen. With the retainer, as you know, there will be no tooth moving, but you will have this auxiliaries button. You'll left click on that. If you want to add a single attachment, a pressure point, you would left click and click on the tooth that you'd like to add that to. Or if we would like to add bite ramps, we can simply click on the teeth that you would like the bite ramps to be added to. You can adjust these if you click on the bite ramp. You can do the height, the width. You can also move these on the tooth as well. You also have your height adjustment panel. If you're happy with where these are, if you're not, you can change the height and hit sync. And then again, you can also go ahead and adjust these as you need to. You can also turn on the opposing overlay to see where the lower is going to line up. And you also have access to the elastics as well. So if you have the patient still wearing elastics, you can click on the button and then you can click on the tooth you want that on. Once you're finished, you'll left click to close the auxiliaries button out and you'll click on the print button. You can then select both of those retainers, upper and lower. Before doing so, there are some things that you can do in here. You have your label model, but you also have your fill undercut. So if we click on preview, this will be your digital fill, very similar to taking putty or acrylic and putting it into proximally, but this will do it digitally for you. In here, you'll see that you can adjust your buccal, your lingual on the anterior. You can also do it on the posterior, or you can do individual teeth, and then you'll simply hit apply. Then you can select your upper and lower retainers, click output model. There will be a charge for exporting those models. You want to click yes. As long as everything looks good, you'll then go to the folder that you have your SDLs exporting to, which is your waiting to print. You will see that you have both of your retainers exported for upper and lower. And then you can simply drop and drag these into your printer and close the case.